Brandian Media Production and Wavefront Explore, in collaboration with Pro Audio Voices, present Quantum. The Trilogy Begins. By Dean de Servienti. Translated by Anthony Sugar. Performed by a full cast of 32. To confine our attention to terrestrial matters would be to limit the human spirit. Stephen Hawking. Author's Note. In the second half of January 2009, in a luxury hotel in Athens, 3 emissaries from the highest echelons of the 3 major religions, Catholicism, Judaism, and Islam, held a meeting. There is no record of that meeting, but a report did leak out. According to that report, these 3 individuals decided to ask Mossad, the powerful Israeli intelligence agency, for its assistance in a recovery operation. The one thing that is known is that in the months following this meeting, 2 things happened. Suicide attacks by Islamic fundamentalists against Israel ceased, entirely and inexplicably, and a number of prominent CIA operatives working in the Middle Eastern theater were summoned home to the United States. No spokesman for any of the institutions I contacted was willing to provide confirmation or denial of this version of events. Prelude. Frank Drake, a professor at Cornell University during the mid-60s and fascinated by the theoretical number of galaxies thought to exist in the universe, developed an equation designed to calculate the probability of the presence of evolved life forms in the cosmos. This equation, which in time became quite famous, is based on declining probability. At each step of the equation, the likelihood drops. In simplified terms, the number of stars found in any given sector of the universe is multiplied by the fraction of those stars that, in all likelihood, have their own planetary systems. The result is then further multiplied by the fraction of those systems that could theoretically host life, and then, further still, by the fraction of those systems where that life could again, theoretically, be intelligent. The equation proceeds in this manner. Because we are multiplying by fractions, with each step, the resulting number is drastically reduced. And yet, taking into consideration only the most conservative estimates, in our galaxy, the Milky Way, alone, the number of intelligent civilizations predicted by the equation is 1 in the order of several million. It is therefore quite likely that ours...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?